Hello everyone, welcome back.
Today we will talk about this gorgeous flowering plant, bleeding hearts, which is also known as Clerodendrum. We'll talk about this plant in detail. We'll see its sunlight requirement, fertilizers, its flowering season, how to grow them, everything. So stay tuned. Bleeding hearts or Clerodendron is a tropical perennial plant, and it's also known by various other names like bag flower, bleeding glory bower, tropical bleeding heart, or glory tree. It's a flowering vine or a climber which can grow up to 13 feet tall, but you can maintain it as a bush by regular pruning. It blooms in gorgeous white color flowers with red corolla. And the plant can be grown in full sunlight as well as in partial shade, but it should get at least 4 to 5 hours of sunlight. The plant goes dormant in winters, and if we talk about its watering habits, keep soil moist always, especially if grown in pots, as extremely dry soil causes plant to drop off its leaves. Also, the plant doesn't need frequent repotting. So once in 3 to 4 years is okay because it doesn't get root bound easily. So make sure to choose a bigger size pot if you're planning to grow them in pots and containers. Now if we talk about how to get more flowers in this plant, pruning and fertilizing is the key. Prune it well in early spring, and as soon as it starts growing new shoots and branches, fertilize it with some good compost. Also you can put few granules of DAP. Now if we talk about how to grow this plant, you can easily propagate this plant from stem cutting. Choose a cutting with multiple nodes to increase the success rate of propagation. Also, spring and monsoon is the perfect time to grow this plant from its stem cutting. If we talk about its flowering season, then they start blooming from early spring till September to October. The flowers bloom in bunch, and once bloomed, the flower remains on the plant for more than a month. However, the red corolla is short-lived. As the flowers age, it drops off the red corolla and the white flower part turns into lavender color, and then it dries off. And if the flowers are pollinated, they produce fruits that ripen to red and black color, and it splits to form 4 black seeds. So that's all for this gorgeous flowering plant, guys. Get this plant from nursery. Its flowering season is there, so you may get it. And if you find it anywhere in your neighborhood, get a cutting, grow it. And I will come up with a new video. See you.